I must say it's a real privilege to be here. Millions from around the world are tuning in for the biggest final in club football, the Champions League final. I'm Derek Ray, my co-commentator is, as always, Lee Dixon, and with the atmosphere building up very nicely, we're just minutes away from kick-off time. It is Liverpool against Paris Saint-Germain.
Well, I'm so excited for the players. We see them coming out there. Excited because of what they've got ahead of them. Are they nervous? Looking at them closely in the eyes. Nerves play a big part in games like this, Derek. I'm nervous for them. Who's going to be the hero?
Roberto Firmino. Now, what can they produce on the flank? Beautifully disguised ball. He's going to be angry with himself, Lee, having failed to take that chance so early. Alisson gets the nod in goal. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Joel Matip in central defence. It might be the moment to get them ahead. Really vital. Mbappe. Verratti now. Lionel Messi. Can they trouble the opposition this time? Not getting anxious when they have the ball. And no-nonsense defensive clearance. Must take the lead here. The goal then for Paris Saint-Germain, the first one of this Champions League final.
Oh, they've got the noses in front. Can they stay there? Now the other team are playing catch-up. Well, here's the replay, and you can see why the manager's furious. Just really poor play. Offering up possession far too easily in the danger zone. And at this level, if you're going to do that, you'll get punished. Not good enough.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. And the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. On and on he goes. He has time to play it over. And space available inside. And a goal! And what an important goal in the grand scheme of things.
Well, it's the sort of determination and desire that's got them here. All the momentum is with them now. Well, this is worth another look, Derek. Lovely movement and guile to easily evade the defender. And what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the goalkeeper absolutely no chance. Fantastic goal.
Struggled away. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. On the attack. Is there to be late drama? Running with the ball confidently. Matip now. Wijnaldum. Mane. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Can he put them in front? Yes is the emphatic answer. And you have to say it was on the cards.
Well, Derek, the chip was always on. Keeper caught in no man's land, but it's still a difficult skill, and it's a lovely finish.
Well, let's take another look at that goal, shall we?
Well, just look at the reactions on the touchline. They just need to keep their composure now. This is far from over.
PSG chasing this game. Let's see if they can succeed on that front. And the fourth official confirming that we'll have 1 additional minute. And it's Messi going forward. What's he going to do next? So at the halfway stage in extra time and 15 more minutes left. Well, it petered out and snuffing out the danger. And Liverpool might be able to cash in. Careless in possession. Well, there is going to be stoppage time, but only the 1 minute. How about this? England's most successful European club have done it again. Liverpool, the winners of the Champions League.
Well, some might say back to where they belong. An absolutely brilliant night. Capped off with winning the trophy. Commiserations for their opposition, but at the moment it's all about celebration for those boys.
Yeah, that is precisely what they intend to do, Lee. Celebrate long into the evening. Liverpool the victors. Well, now, as a player, and in this case as a Liverpool player, you've got to prepare yourself for the trophy lift.
Well, yeah, this is where you want to be the captain. Sometimes it's a hindrance because everybody's looking at you for a bit of inspiration, but you get to do this. You get to pick up this magnificent trophy and celebrate with your teammates.
Liverpool this year have painted Europe red. It's official now. The kings of European club football, Liverpool.
Well, certainly the red half of Liverpool and Merseyside will be celebrating tonight. Not so sure about the Everton fans, but even they might celebrate a little bit.
And this is really special, getting to celebrate in front of your own fans, Lee.
Well, it's giving something back. These fans have travelled all over the place following their team. Now they get to join in the celebrations, go into the crowd and give them the cup. That's what I say.
Well, then it might never find its way to the trophy cabinet, Lee. And now the players get to relax a bit and enjoy having the pictures taken.
Well, you know exactly where I'd be sitting in that photo, don't you, Derek?
I think I've heard it before, Lee.
Straight at the front.